cannot believe it. It's a Bubblies. It's a Bubblies duck. Look. Wow. What secret charms are inside? It's the one with the charms. Look, reveal 3 secret charms. Okay, let's see if we can find any. Oh boy, let's see. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to cut them open. Okay, let's see here. Let's cut them on open and see what charms we get inside. Jeez. Woo, that's a little bit crazy. Okay, let's look for the charm. I'm not seeing any charms. Seeing a charm yet? No, not yet. Why aren't they here? I don't see any charms anywhere. I'm looking all over. Okay, let's keep, oh wait. No, didn't see one. Come on, let's see. Where's the charms? Oh, I see one, it's coming. Okay, look. Okay, here it is. Look. Is this one of the, yes, it's one of the charms. It's a little smiley face. Wow, it's so cute and so little. Okay, now we just need to find 2 more. Let's keep our eyes peeled. Come on, where's the second one? Okay, come on, let's wait for another one. Where is it? Come on, where is it? It's gotta appear any minute now. Oh, I see one coming. There, look, there it is. What in the world? It's a little heart with wings. That is so adorable. Okay, now, we just have to wait for the last charm. I wonder which one it's gonna be. I hope it's Santa Claus. Do you think Santa Claus might be inside here? Okay, let's see here. Let's get ready. Come on, where's the third charm? Oh, is it coming? I think it's gotta be here any minute now. Okay, come on. Oh, okay, here it is. Here's the third charm. Look, it's a flower and it's super duper squishy. Do you see that? Wow, it's like magic. Oh, the poor little ducky. I'm gonna have to shove all these balls back inside of his mouth and then stitch it closed because he's so cute. I'm so sorry, little ducky. All that I wanted was to just play with you, but I couldn't find the charms, so that's why we had to cut you open. I'm sorry, buddy. Okay. Well, if you like this video, down below you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Sporella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Whee!